Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to an all new exciting episode with your boy Salem. And today I am going to be showing you an exciting feature of the Contextual Taskbar. So if you have noticed, you would have actually figured out that the contextual taskbar is a floating taskbar that moves around as you work. Okay, so once I have a portion of the image selected, it would basically move over to that portion. Yeah, so it's a floating taskbar. Okay, now this is actually favorable, but then there are in certain few situations where you might not necessarily want the bar moving around, so it doesn't disrupt your edit, your vision and all that. So in that case, you could basically just select over and hit the three dotted icon on the taskbar and just pin taskbar position. Now once that is selected, the taskbar would always be on that position. Now even if you change, right now I'm on the essentials layout, I could change to photography layout and still it still saves that. Okay, it still saves the position. Now if you want it to reset back to the original floating setting, you'd still come back here and deselect pin taskbar. So whenever you do that, you deselect pin taskbar, resets taskbar position as well. You need to reset the position, and whenever you do that, we're back to the original setting. Alright, okay, so do let me know if you have any other suggestions or any other additions or questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao ciao.